I'm Shelley Binkley. I'm the Vice President of Service Delivery. I'm responsible for all field repair, same unit repair, and how we approach it. So it's making sure that we are able to service that customer's needs. When I think about the Assurant Repair Network, I think bigger, better, and trusted. So when we talk about bigger, we have over 925 locations. They're in Puerto Rico, the US, Canada. So when we're talking about better, we're talking about a better customer experience. Our customers have an appointment at a location that we know has the part when they get there. So when you think about a customer journey, they don't always start at the exact same point. Sometimes they come in on the web, sometimes they come in through a call, sometimes they're standing in the store. We make sure that we've got omnichannel communications, so everyone's working from the same sheet of music. It just builds that trust and confidence in the experience that we're delivering for that customer. When we talk about trusted, we're talking about our relationships with our OEMs and our certifications. All of our technicians are WISE certified, and all of our stores are WISE certified, which means you have to also have level 2 technicians. And we have very tight partnerships with Samsung, Apple, Google, Motorola to ensure that we're meeting their expectations. The Assurant Repair Network is bigger, better, and trusted.